Hello friends, welcome to SF German Language Institute. My name is Anand, and in this FAQ video we are going to discuss one question, that is, can you learn German A2 level without learning A1? Can you learn German A2 without learning A1? That is not possible. Why it is not possible? Because many students, they are confused. They think like A2 level is like from the beginning to complete A2 is there. We can jump to A2 level. A1 is the basic level, first level. A1 is the basic. If you learn basic sentence formation, how to read German, counting numbers, telling time, some basic dialogues like how to communicate in the restaurant and talking about time, traveling, booking ticket, talking about hotel. Okay, all these things, many like 7 8 grammar topics are there in A1 level, but application of that, and then there are some situations what you practice listening, speaking and all, and then you go for A2 level. Then only A2 level is possible. A2 grammar is completely based on A1 grammar, so you have to learn A1 first and then A2. Now here comes the point, many students, those who have learnt already German language in their school or in some small courses in their company or like that, like in our company there, some students sometimes they say, in our company there was one training and we attended that 1 month training. We need to understand how much you learned in that. Okay, that cannot be A1 level probably if you learned in a very short time. In the schools what you learn, that syllabus is different. Okay, and again the next question comes, like I have learned that whatever in the school or in my company, that was 3 years before, 4 years before, then you have to start again with A1 level. I'm really sorry, this is quite bad. If you have already learned a long time before, then maybe you don't remember everything. Even if you try to recall that everything in short time, that may not match with the actual content of A1 level, complete syllabus of A1 level. So it's better to complete A1 level first, learn again. Even if you have learned German long time before, do A1 again and then go for A2. Otherwise, sometimes students, they say like, no, I will revise myself A1 level, I will do that. We say yes, okay, fine. If you can really do that, if you had already learned properly, then maybe you will be able to do that. But communicate with the trainer. Okay, communicate with your trainer. Try to understand if you have really completed A1 level properly or not, and then go for A2. Otherwise, sometimes students, they force, for like they insist that I will do A2 only. They join A2, then they misunderstand that the trainer is not explaining the things, and trainer is expecting that you are in A2, so you must have learned A1 level. So that confusion happens. Then students feel like they're wasting their time, they're not learning, German is difficult or whatever it is. But the fact is that if your A1 is not done properly, you will have difficulties in A2 and you won't be able to actually complete the course. You will lose interest in the middle of the course itself, and then maybe you will give up German, and that will be kind of bad experience, lack of confidence forever, that you will never learn German again. So it's better to listen to your trainer. The trainer will tell you what is best for you. Okay, talk to someone. If you have not communicated with anyone yet, you can contact us. You can talk to our counselor. You can ask counselor that I want to attend one free demo session, and then in that demo session you can have interaction with the trainer, and there you will get the clear idea what exactly you should do. Okay, I hope this video was helpful, and see you in our next video with some new question. If you have any queries, any questions, you want me to answer any of your questions, please mention in the comment box, and definitely I will make video on that. Till then, yeah, you can check our other videos on this channel, and there are many other interesting videos. You can go through them, you can see what else interests you, and yeah, see you then in our next video. Cheers.